Text progress allows you to introduce text on screen character by character. For example, you can use it to simulate text entry on a keyboard. To use text progress, tap a text layer with text entered, tap Effects, then choose Text Progress in the Text category. The Start slider removes characters from the beginning of the text, and the End slider removes them from the end. To create a typing effect, scroll to the beginning of the text layer, tap End to select it for keyframing, tap Add Keyframe, and then slide the End slider to 0. Scroll to the middle of the layer, and then slide the End slider to 100. Play the project back to see the effect. You can also add a simulated cursor, optionally blinking, to the end of the text.